Welcome to my auction today on eBay. Today I'm selling a Ford Transit 85 T260. It's a 2 litre turbo diesel. It failed its MOT. It's beyond economical repair for the company. They've sold it to me and I'm selling it as is, for spares or repair. As you can see, it's got a few rust spots on it. It's got good tyres, 3 of them anyway. The central locking works. Got a few scabby parts, but nothing that you can't sort of like fix yourself. All the doors work. The gearbox is good, the clutch is good, the brakes are good. Basically it needs a tidy up, bit of a fix up, but it's a cheap van if you've got the skills to repair it yourself. Put it through an MOT. It's complete. The keys, the V5 document, well, the logbook in some cases. Inside, quite clean and tidy. A little bit rip on the seat. It's showing 149,000, coming up for 150,000. But it's a good little van for someone, or to break for spares. In the back it's all partitioned out. Okay, none of the boxes or that will be in it when you pick it up. But as you can see, everything's working, the central locking works. Good little 04 van, spares or repair. As you can see, I'll show you the engine. It's a Duratorque DI engine with 5-speed gearbox. Good runner. Out the back end. Show you the gearbox. Rider. Just that the company thought it was beyond economical repair. Good doors, good interior, good engine and 5-speed box, good van for someone to repair. It's on a buy it now price, but if you phone the number below the advert and make me an offer, a sensible offer, then you never know your luck. It's no MOT, it's no road tax, and it's on a SON, so it will have to be taken away on the back of a trailer or a recovery vehicle. Or you can drive it away, but that's entirely up to yourselves. But there it is, an 85 04 plate T260 Ford Transit van complete. Spares or repair. Happy bidding.